Nothing happened though. Because my fucking brakes are shitty. From yesterday. Fucking twice now? Fuck's sake. Is it good? Because my brakes are shitty, I hit them but I went sliding.
I need a pee now. Fucking before you go use the bathroom.
Fucking nothing happened, holy shit. Just fucking all my tire.
Kid, what's going getting you horny?
What the hell happened to my car? Nothing, eh?
Kid, oh my god.
Because my brakes are fucked up from yesterday. Fuck, I got hit again. This is fucked up now.
At least I tried.
I know, I
I
tried.
just slammed my brakes and turned and you just came right for me. Fuck.
Kid didn't even bother turning.
Fuck this up a little bit more, too.
Because we thought you were with those guys back there.
No, I wasn't gonna go with them. I have to go gas up.
Where are they? Who is all there?
Ashton and
What
whoever.
the fuck do you have that for?
Oh, yo, it's still recording!
For real?